This is the story of how Sunderland Association Football Club was formed in 1880. On Saturday, September the 25th, 1880, a meeting of Sunderland and District Teachers Association, which was a trade union, was held at Rectory Park Schools on the south side of the River Wear, close to where the new Kiel Bridge starts. The guest speaker from London was Mr. Helmer, Secretary to the National Union of Elementary Teachers. At the conclusion of the meeting, a smaller group of teachers stayed behind to set up a football club. This was association football, as there had been a rugby football club in Sunderland for many years. Coverage of the new club began immediately, with the Monday edition of the Sunderland Echo, the 27th of September 1880, reporting what has subsequently proved to be a momentous occasion.
The first training session for the teachers took place on the 9th of October 1880 at the Blue House playing fields in Hendon. However, not enough teachers turned up to form a football team, and so it was agreed to make an appeal to the wider public, as was reported in the Newcastle Chronicle on the 16th of October 1880. As to where they actually got together to make such a decision, it's not known. However, it certainly wasn't at this location in 1879, as there's no primary source information which indicates so. Born in Sunderland, Charles Alcock played an important part in the development of football. He helped initiate the England-Scotland games and also the FA Cup. He's rightly commemorated with a plaque in Norfolk Street. In 1880, as the Secretary of the Football Association, Charles Alcock began an annual which consisted of information sent in by the clubs at that time. It ran between 1880 and 1906. Sunderland first appeared in 1883, when the club supplied information which stated that the club itself was formed in 1880.
Up until World War II, it was the case that some programmes for Sunderland away games stated the club was formed in 1880. The semi-final in 1938 programme stated that the club was formed in 1880. The season card for 1884-85 states the club was established in 1880. Ironically, this card was actually shown in the official history of the football club, which was released to all season ticket holders in 1999. There is no primary source evidence from 1879 that a football club was formed that year. There is no way that if one had been formed, or even if residents or teachers were playing football regularly, that the Sunderland Echo would not have reported it. The first time that the 1879 start date is mentioned in the paper is in a series of highly inaccurate articles in 1887, and then you have to wait until 1929. The fact is that the Sunderland Association Football Club was formed by a trade union on the 25th of September 1880. Within 15 years it had won the First Division title, a then record 3 times. Today the club is playing in the Premier League.